Sweden has jumped on the ban Huawei train.
Yeesh.
Ban Huawei, ban ZTE from 5G, officially calling China the biggest threat. Sweden is banning Chinese tech companies Huawei and ZTE from building new high-speed wireless networks after a top security official called China one of the country's biggest threats. Now, they're not the first to do this, man. We've covered this so many places. In fact, people have had to create maps and infographics to show where Huawei's banned and where it's not. And where it's banned is growing. It's getting bigger. And so that color code on the infograph keeps jumping up. The rivals of Huawei when it comes to 5G rollout, obviously you have Ericsson, which is a Swedish company, and you have Nokia, which is a Finnish company. That's quite nearby for these groups, right? If you're in Sweden, you might have some kind of incentive to say some things like this. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying, but I'm just saying. So here's the quote. Here's the quote from Swedish intelligence. China is one of the biggest threats to Sweden. The Chinese state is conducting cyber espionage to promote its own economic development and develop its military capabilities. This is done through extensive intelligence gathering and theft of technology, research, and development. This is what we must consider when building the 5G network of the future. So they also put in, of course, Huawei denied everything that was in that statement. They say there are no security risks. So got to put that piece in there too. They're also doing the part like the UK sort of did, which was, oh, by the way, if you've already started using this stuff, go get rid of it.
Yeah.
Which imagine that you're that company. You're like, oh, God, really?
Infrastructure.
I go rip all that stuff out.
Yeah.
It's feels rough.
I just updated all the firmware.
Yeah, it's like these people got the 5G. I marketed the 5G. What am I doing? I gotta buy all this Ericsson and I just updated the firmware.
Sounds like a headache.
I just updated the firmware. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So anyway, they jump on the bandwagon. Wow.
That was a
how have I not said that yet about Huawei banning? It seems so obvious.
That's a good one.
Sweden jumps on the Huawei bandwagon, but not bandwagon. The bandwagon.
The bandwagon.
No, the
Yeah.
Sheesh.